Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the Mira network token, symbolized as $MRA, and how you can potentially acquire it. We'll cover its key features, including its status as a new base coin, its ERC20 compatibility, the possibility of future listings on major exchanges like Coinbase, and its initial exchange offering, or TGE, on MEXC Global. Remember, cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, so thorough research is paramount. Let's define what the Mira network token actually is. We'll explore its utility and overall purpose within its ecosystem, along with a brief look at the underlying blockchain technology, specifically its ERC20 nature and what's meant by being a new base coin, and how this token integrates with the wider Mira network. MEXC will unpack the token generation event, or TGE, on MEXC Global. We'll explain what a TGE, sometimes also referred to as an initial exchange offering or IO, actually is, and why MEXC Global was selected as the launch platform. We'll also cover crucial TGE details, such as specific dates and times, participation requirements, the token price during the TGE, minimum and maximum purchase limits, and any Know Your Customer, or KYC, verification that might be needed. ETs get practical with how to buy $MRA on MEXC Global. We'll provide step-by-step instructions for setting up a MEXC Global account, covering the registration process and KYC verification. Then, we'll guide you through funding your account, highlighting the supported deposit methods like USDT or BTC. Finally, we'll walk you through the process of purchasing $MRA both during and after the TGE, explaining how to navigate the MEXC trading interface and utilizing different order types, such as market and limit orders. Now, let's address the potential Coinbase listing and the new base coin aspect. We'll discuss the possibility of $MRA being listed on Coinbase, highlighting factors that could influence such a listing while emphasizing that there are no guarantees. We'll then elaborate on what it means for Mira to be a new base coin, explaining its role within the ecosystem and any advantages it might offer over existing tokens. Shifting gears, it's crucial to discuss security considerations. We'll cover best practices for securing your $MRA tokens, including the use of hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, software wallets, and the critical importance of securely storing your seed phrase. We'll also issue a warning about phishing scams and reinforce the need to do your own research, or DYOR, before making any investment decisions. Now for the important consideration of risks and potential downsides. We'll highlight the inherent market volatility associated with cryptocurrencies, mention the potential impact of regulatory uncertainty, and briefly outline risks that are specifically related to the Mira network itself. In conclusion, remember that $MRA is a new token with potential, but also with risks. We encourage you to visit the Mira network website and MEXC Global for more information. Always conduct thorough due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.